Today it's very hot, and actually it's Sandstorm day. As you guys can see, it's sandy. We are along Al Ain Road, and this is the situation. A lot of sandstorm here, and we're enjoying the view. If you guys can see, can you see how sandy it is? The cloud is filled with sand mixed with wind. So I'll be going now in the mall. See guys, it's a weekend and it's busy. It's 14 hours and 52 minutes Middle East time. You can see how busy this place is. You can see people. I'm on the ground floor now. I'll be going on the first floor. You can do your shopping here on a weekend, on a weekday. Every day is a shopping day. There is no Monday, no Tuesday, no Wednesday, no Thursday, no Friday, no Saturday, no Sunday. Every day is a shopping day, and we enjoy it here like this. The weather is hot, but we like it, because we are used to this, and everything is not natural. We are on the first floor, where we have a little shop. If you guys do this, we have this here. We have